Hari itu 17/10, Chilen 12 minggu, bab minggu ketiga. Hari keterubah ya minggu tu Sesais lengan. Minggu nyen kemarik semena bisi sekali aja Sesais lengan. Minggu tu 2 kali Sesais lengan, tapi sekali aja Sesais kaki di pelabak aku.
If you've ever been, don't feel sorry. I want you to realize that being delayed is not being forgotten.
You have to watch. You have to watch every single second. Because those seconds, they turn into minutes. And minutes turn into hours, and hours turn into days, and days turn into years. And so, that second that just went by, that counted. And so did that second. And so did that one. And in those precious seconds, you're either building or you're decaying.
And ladies and gentlemen, I started working on my dream. And most people don't work on their dreams. Why? For me, here's what I did. One is because of fear. The fear of failure. What if things don't work out? And the fear of success. What if they do and I can't handle it? The other thing is that most people, ladies and gentlemen, they get comfortable. They stop growing, they stop working on themselves, they stop stretching, they stop pushing themselves. And they end up becoming very cynical about life. They throw in the towel of themselves, on their families, and on their dreams. And the other thing is that most people don't feel worthy.
Being delayed is because whatever accolades they got in that one moment will pale in comparison to working that company. Yours is bigger, yours is better, yours is greater. If it's done in the dark and you put in that hard work and no one acknowledges it, I want you to realize that that hard work was not wasteful. You improved, you got hungry, and you have to stay hungry. Develop an appetite to win if no one is watching. Don't be too busy for your levels. Don't be too busy for your relationships or friendships. Don't be too busy for your dreams. Don't be too busy for things that you believe. Because you don't believe it's a place where you live regret. You believe it's a place where you live and rejoice. So please, use your day today. And ask yourself, am I giving my all to the things that I love, the things I care about? Practice as if it is game time. Go hard when others are resting. Limit your wrench. Push yourself and uncover the layers of within. It's time for you to take a deep dive into the deeper parts of yourself. Uncover the greater ones. Realize that you have always been good. But there's another level. There's another way. You want to uncover it. You gotta go through this thing. You gotta be rejected. You gotta be denied. You have to become so impassioned about what you want that no one can deny you. You're gonna come after. It means getting a little bit more and starting that work. Whether it be rain, whether it be snow, whether it be slick outside, no matter what it is, you're gonna get up and go.
So I applaud you for your dream. For your running towards your dream. I applaud you for believing in yourself. Because that's what life is about. Stretching and challenging. Looking for ways that you can begin to improve yourself.
Clears, there's improvers, there's closures. You know, everybody's got influence, there's others, right? But you gotta figure out which one you are. I know which one I am. You're either gaining ground or you lose ground. In that second. And in every second. Every second counts. So, make every second count.
What else do you? Doesn't care about you. When it doesn't care how smart you are. When it doesn't care how much sleep you get. When it doesn't care how hard you work at times. When it requires all of you and then more. And it promises nothing.
The comfort zone is dangerous. When you're comfortable, you are at most dangerous. You should never feel comfortable. You should be happy and dissatisfied. But anybody ever tell you, hey, look, you know what? Just be satisfied with what you got. Don't believe it. Get away from it. You should never be satisfied with what you got. Because the attempt to get more makes you get to something better. All the time. One thing in life, this applies to everything in life. Anytime you move from being normal, you're trying to be exceptional. People are like, shit, those normal people, it makes them feel like, yes, they're attention. And nowadays, it's very easy to get a coward. Why? We got Instagram. Most folks will take to your face. They go online. They post about a coward. Don't let coward get you. Your last name, make sure you do you. Stay hard. Y'all gotta start living your life. Be comfortable with who you are.
Every man has two lives. And the second starts when you realize he has just one.
Put me in the game, coach. It's the anthem of everyone who has ever sat on the sidelines of life and felt like you deserve to be out there. You felt like I have something I can contribute. It's about helping the team. Like I see the team behind. I know I got something for them. Coach, put me in the game. It's as if you're moving all by yourself. You know that perhaps somebody might be faster, bigger, stronger. They may have been born with better genetics, but what they don't have is that innate talent and that gift and that will that's within you. Put me in the game.
So this one, it's like the gift I want everybody to receive is you can get good at anything you set your mind to. But do you actually set your mind to it? Do you have that engine level follow through? Do you keep pushing and fighting long after it's not being fun, deep into boredom, because you have a why. You know why you're doing what you're doing, and you're just driving towards that. And when you have that, you accomplish this extraordinary stuff.
So, if you take people and are doing this and you expose them voluntarily to things that they are avoiding and are afraid of, they know they need to overcome in order to meet their goals, their self-defined goals. If you can teach people to stand up in the face of the things they're afraid of, they get stronger. And you don't know what limits to that are, because you might ask yourself, like, if for 10 years you didn't avoid doing what you knew you needed to do, by your own definition, so looking at the very structure that you created to be able to done that, what would you be like?
It's an anthem. It's a mantra for everyone that's been an underachiever because they won't give it an opportunity. So you gotta go out and you gotta take it. And the only way you can take it is that you put in the hard work and you put in discipline. And that discipline is not early in the morning. I hit the gym, I put in the cardio work, I eat right, and when I get done with that, at the end of my day, I make make sure that I sit and I look at my goals and I remind myself, this is who I become.
Get back to living your life. Because at the end of the day, most of us don't realize this. We wasted our life for a person, for people, for a job, for whatever in this world that can give a damn about us. And life is too short to settle. Life is too short to suffer. Life is too short.
95% of our decisions are made by how you feel in the moment. And that is the problem. Do you feel like making that cold call? No, you don't. Do you feel like doing that third set of reps? No, you don't. And if you accept the fact that you may never feel ready, you may never feel motivated, you may never feel courageous, and that's okay, but you can still push yourself forward. As you start to see yourself becoming a person that takes action, guess what happens? You build the skill of confidence and courage.
We're going to be excited about the future. We're going to do things that make us want to live. It can't always be about problems every day. I mean, every morning, every face is a problem. But what inspires you? What makes you excited about the future? There's got to be some things like that.
So what do? You allow that to make you corrupt and nihilistic? Not if you think that it's the corruption and nihilism that's the problem. So you're obligated to be optimistic in some sense, despite the evidence. And that's faith. So, pick up your cross and stumble uphill.
You don't take days off, you don't take weeks off. You continue to go after it. Because if you do it long enough, the habits will become a part of your DNA. And what you like to genetics will now become automatic out of you. Then you'll get up and you'll go after it. And when others have gotten satisfied, when they've gotten rested and they've accepted being mediocre or good enough, that's when your hard work leads you to greatness.
Bring it back, and then you will have the formula for pivoting at any moment. You time travel forward a year. You investigate the patterns that you have that are giving you the result that you want, and then you back your ass up to right here, right now. And you decide, am I willing to do this now? If I'm willing, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 through all the excuses that are going to be there when you're trying to override your operating system. That's how you do it.
We're so stuck in this comfort zone, and comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing ever goes here. We're so stuck, we're convenient, we're so stuck in this ritual where it feels good, so we gotta try to shake us up a little bit. The problem always happens before the miracle.
Quit. Fight on. Fight through the struggle. Fight through the pain and come out the other side stronger and tougher and better. A fighter. A survivor. A winner. Victorious. And free from that story.
That's why I love the process. I love it. I love working for what I want. I love the sacrifice. I love the dedication. I love the commitment. I love that. Everybody wants the prize. Nobody wants the process. Everybody wants to get done. Nobody's willing to get done. Everybody wants to happen. Nobody wants to die.
It's my duty to give my all. If I give my all, it doesn't become a play, it becomes a promise. Somebody's got to face you with that mentality, put me in the game. Coach, the coach can be a boss at your job, put me in the game. I'm here to bring something away. It's not about myself, it's about what's in me that made me to be more. And whatever the gap is between me being good and me being great, I'm trying to close it. You've got to have a mindset that is bigger than just me. Put me in the game, coach.
I don't worry about being broken. You know what? I've been broken so many times, it doesn't matter. But here's the difference. Like when that glass turned into a diamond, when I was broken, I had a chance to pick those pieces up and put them back together the way I want to put them back.
So it don't matter how much money you got. It don't matter what type of car you got. It don't matter square footage in your house. Like a real deal situation. Like when a cat's wife gets sick, when your children get sick, you need emergency money with your family. Right? When none of that other stuff matters. Right? But the work that you put in every single day, the mindset that you cultivate every single day, the spirit that you cultivate every single day, the work ethic, the dedication, the commitment, that's you. Right? That's your essence, that's your ethos, that's who you are.
If you want to begin to move, you got to clear your mind of all the unnecessary luggage and baggage that's weighing us down. You're going to have people to do things to you. Things are going to happen to you. And the most important thing to do is to harness your will and let it go. And move so you grow. So you can get on with your life. It doesn't matter about what happens to you, but it matters just what are you going to do about it.
There's a big difference. You're a champion, and someone who's just good. There's two boxing versions. It's 12-round championship bout. I've never round the ball in corners. Someone that's good is just going to freeze himself. I'm going to give you everything I have. Hopefully, I can get you through this whole round. A champion. He's in that corner. So I'll always be to talk to him. He understands. All he thinks about is, I have fun. What I have given. That mentality that truly separates the champions from the love that's working good. Stay home.
Every time you go, you're supposed to be more different. You're supposed to be better. Every time you lose, you're supposed to be better. Every time you fall, you're supposed to get up over. You're supposed to get up better.
I wait when you finish the locker room afterwards. That hard work has been put in. It's time for you to take that shot. You watch your way, all yourself down the curve. And you refresh and restore yourself the possibilities of what your body are. It must face the greater version of you. You are nothing else. The biggest challenge you will always face is you underestimate your true value. Your greatest value is that you cannot be denied. You are motivated because of the rejections. Let them keep saying no because a yes is coming. And the yes comes from within.
Has your life ever looked like a storm? Because right now, in many of your lives, that's what it feels like and that's what it sounds like. It sounds and feels, but how am I out here? And I'm going to do what God asked me to do. And what is going on in my life? And I'm out here and it's dark now. And I'm out here and there's nobody helping me. And I'm out here and I don't hear a word from God.
What will make you happy? You need to know. You need to start asking yourself some questions. What do I really, really, truly want? You need to be exact about that. Don't be vague, oh, I just want to be happy. That's too vague. What will make you happy?
You have to control what you can control, which makes the uncontrollable thing really. That's why you have routines. For a lot of individuals in here, you have routines on board. The individuals that I mentioned earlier, the greatest athletes, the best business people that we talk about all the time, they have routines that allow them to control what you control. They allow them to succeed. They allow them to continue to progress forward. They allow them to win. Line up those problems and confront them. Face them. Fight them. Do not let it win them. In fact, let those challenges raise you up. Let them elevate you. Let their demands and their trials make you stronger. Let the adversity you face today turn you into a better person tomorrow.
Recognize the fact that you're going to get into some slumps. Recognize the fact that you're going to encounter a great deal of failure life. It goes with the territory. But in the face of that, you want to be relentless. And you know something? And many doors will be closed to your face. And most people will give up. But you've got to decide that I'm going to be fearless. I refuse to be denied. And I'm going to go all out. I'm going to be relentless. I don't care how many yellows I encounter.
I'm beginning to see that the people that made it in life didn't make it because they give it. It's because they have a mindset to go take it.
What you send out comes back. What you sow, you reap. What you give, you get. What you see in others exists in you. You're not judged, you will not be judged. Radiating your love, the love comes back to you. So love is what we are born with. Fear is what we have learned here. The spiritual journey is the unlearning of fear and acceptance of love back into our hearts.
You're gonna become better. You're gonna become stronger. You're gonna heal. You're gonna grow. And it will be hard. When you're moving on from something that's been familiar to you, and you're moving to the unfamiliar, you're moving to uncharted territory in your life, it is hard. And I need you to understand right now that you have to focus on what you're moving on to instead of what you're moving on from.
The difference between successful people and non-successful people is here. You have to change this. So if you're in a place in your life and you're acting in it, you have to change something. But you have to make a conscientious decision that you're going to change. And it's not dependent on anybody else.
I'm not being serious. When you get to the high end, you know who you are. Everything, you know what's that? Something leads, something follows. Something leads, something follows. When you don't know who you are, it's a whole bunch of math that follows. When you know who you are, he's at the button there.
I don't care if you have to insulate the button. Even if you have to get there, it hurts. It's hard. And nobody can see what you're really going through. If you don't quit, the pit will become your platform.
This decision is yours and yours alone.
Treat yourself like you're someone responsible for help. And that doesn't mean good to yourself. Doesn't mean be nice to yourself. Doesn't mean give yourself an easy life. That isn't actually what you do to people if you care for them. You actually present them with something like an optimal challenge. That's what you do with kids if you love them. First of all, assume that you're worth taking care of, and that it's your responsibility to do so, even if you don't like yourself very much. And lots of people don't, and they have their reasons. And you're not very happy with yourself, and you don't think that you deserve to have an okay life. So you punish yourself, and you set yourself up for failure, and all of that. That happens all the time. Or you just go to aim, where you don't have any goals, or you're guilty and resentful and feel that you should be punished. So you have to abandon all that. Treat yourself like you're someone you're responsible for help.
So here's what you win. That's it. Okay, you can bitch about losing all day, you cry about losing all day, you can make every freaking reason about losing all day, no one cares. You only care about the winners. Okay? That's reality. You win life, your life's gonna be good. If you lose your life, your life's gonna be hard. That's reality. And I would much rather be an aggressive winner than a passive loser.
The daily fight is a challenge. You will not always want to do what you need to do. You will not always feel like doing something you need to do. You may not want to fight that battle, but you need to. You need to know your strategic goals, and you need to know why they're important, and then you need to get up. Get out of your damn bed, get off your phone, get out of the soft and addictive comfort zone that weakens you.
You make a list of who you communicate with most and ask yourself the question, what kind of person am I becoming because of this relationship? Does it help me to grow mentally, emotionally, and spiritually? Am I becoming a better person because of this relationship? Will it bring out the
Okey, dah kerja. Lama laban bisi dengan bukan.
Will it make me stretch?